Hi guys, we're back at it with the vlogs. It's Friday, first Friday of food trucks at the Olympic Stadium once again. I'm waiting for Christine to come get me and we'll see where that goes. I will see you later.
Hello! Hi! Yes! We're all here, the squad's here. Yes!
Mine is Chelsea though.
Yeah, I know. I told you, right?
No.
No, Chelsea's not coming.
This is a wonder,
Stephanie,
Yo!
how was your day?
Yeah, it was full of shopping. And now I'm gonna go spend more money at food trucks.
Worth it.
Food trucks! We're here! I remember sitting on the floor.
It's pork.
I just realized I grabbed a weird pork.
The food narrator.
We got a half-pound of mac and cheese from the cheese truck with peas and bacon in it. Look at this. Oh my god. With this weird looking pork.
Whatever.
And we got a grilled cheese from the cheese truck as well with bacon in it.
I'm eating a pulled pork wrap in a non-bread. You see it? It looks kind of gross because I bit into it.
Is it good?
It's from Phoenix. Oh yeah, it's from Phoenix.
Where are we going next?
Short hair.
Are you having fun?
Lobster roll. We're going to this. I'm not even answering your question. I just want food. I just want food. It's so good. Look at this.
Wait, it's not focusing.
I don't
Stop
care.
moving!
I don't care.
It's all good.
Last year we said sak alimanad or something, so I would say it. And I don't see it anywhere, and I haven't seen anyone holding a bag.
What did you get?
Come on.
What I get?
Noob.
Chocolate crepe with more chocolate inside.
Okay, it's cool.
You're like, good enough.
I'll take it. So, Steph just freaked out about the bacon wrapped Oreos. Like, full on freaked out.
Yeah, because we thought they were all sold out everywhere. We visit 2 trucks, and she just had a moment. Freaked out.
Where did she go? Oh, there she is.
It's not in bacon. It's like in a donut.
She's not the same. You want it? We always place with Oreo. So why don't we serve bacon and Oreo? She's looking at every food coming.
Steph is just waiting for the food. We're waiting for her donut Oreos. Look at that face of determination. She's staring at everyone's food that comes out.
Hoping it's her.
I know.
She's like, my time will come.
Together.
Kills me. Oh my god. It looks like a chicken leg. Oh my
I
god.
know. Oreos deep fried in dough.
How excited are you?
Very excited. They were so good. I wish I had more, but they're all gone.
Wait. I did my best and I did.
Can you get me more?
Oreo's life.
You like it? Besides the Oreo part?
No, it's good. It's good. What's this though? The white cream.
I don't know. She just ate it all. She didn't have time to look at it.
She just eats it.
I didn't even see what was inside. I just ate it all.
Christine, they didn't have slush at the slush truck. I think I'm gonna tear up as I say that.
It's okay.
You guys know I always have a slush in my hand, even in the October one where
She
it was
waited
1
8
degree.
months. No, she has to wait 9 months.
I'm so sad.
It's okay. Next month we'll get our bacon. We'll start off our day with bacon wrapped Oreos and
And
slush.
slush.
I wanna get a bag
That was
this
the
time.
most disappointing thing I've ever been through.
I'm not really sure. It's supposed to be orange cocoa, but she just ended up giving me orange.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. That said it's too sweet. Says the girl who's actually getting more sweet. Like, I don't know.
Yeah, she says the drink was too sweet, but she's just buying sugar right now.
Yes! Yes! Wait, we only need 2 little, like... 2 little... Oh, we can get more.
Yes, cute. They're balls of deliciousness just for you, Katrina.
Wait. Oh.
Stop moving! Hurry up!
I want to pick one up here. Okay,
Go.
okay. No?
You guys started eating?
For the video.
For the video.